So if you are anything like me, you've probably seen on the YouTube streets how a lot of YouTubers are talking about how it isn't as easy to make money off of YouTube. Now, as a smaller creator, that may leave you discouraged, but I actually am a bearer of good news today. You can actually make a whole lot more money on YouTube as a small creator if you follow these exact strategies. Hello, my name is Tanya. I'm a business coach and marketing strategist, and I work with content creators, course creators, coaches, influencers, authors, and other people of influence such as speakers to create businesses that they love and no longer need an escape from. And that is by amplifying their marketing message so they attract premium high-paying clients and opportunities. So I've been seeing on the streets that a lot of YouTubers have spoken about this, and that is the reason why this is a phenomenon around small YouTubers and smaller creators is sometimes because of misinformation. A whole lot of influencers, content creators seem to think that the only way you can monetize as a content creator is through Google AdSense and other platforms AdSense, which is one way you could monetize, but it is only a portion of what you are capable of. Now, I can't go into all of it right now because that will be a whole hour, but I have a free course down here in the description box that is written Influencer to CEO, and once you take that course you will actually understand the different ways you can monetize and what is the best way you could look at monetizing, which I have been doing. So let's jump into this video. How can you make money as a small YouTuber? At the time of the recording of this video, I'll put the screen up here. My channel currently stands at less than 300, around 204. However, that does not impact how much I make because I'm leveraging YouTube to build a business. And depending on where you are in terms of your positioning and what you are offering as services, you can easily make between $2,000, which is around 30,000 rand in my currency in the country where I am from, which is South Africa, to a whole lot more. And when I mean a whole lot more, people are making from 150,000 rand, and that is $10,000 upwards using a small YouTube channel. So as I'm editing this video, I'm realizing that I only spoke about it as if it was only available to small YouTubers. This is actually also an opportunity that a big YouTuber could leverage if they want to build a business that is leveraging their YouTube channel and leveraging their brand, and the course below will explain that. And if you are wondering how I got started online, I got started online as a writer, and I'm hosting a workshop where I'll be teaching you how to find paid writing gigs, international writing gig that can pay you anywhere from 750 to over 50,000 rand online, and I'll be leaving the details below so that you can check it out. And if you are in Gauteng, in Johannesburg, or Pretoria, you can come and join us, and there will also be an option for those that are not in South Africa. You can join virtually. Let's get back into the video. And here is how you could do the same. Now, there's essentially two ways you could monetize on YouTube if you want to start making money, and that is by offering either services, and that is I'm talking about how to make the most money as a smaller YouTuber, offering services, or actually creating and selling your own digital product. If you don't know what is a digital product, don't worry, I'll link a video up here where I explain the different type of digital products that you can create, and another video up here where you can see how you can make money with digital products. So now I make money primarily selling digital products, and the digital products that I sell is a coaching program and courses. These make up the bulk of how I make my money. Some of it is passive income, the courses, the memberships, and some of it is semi-passive. It's a lot more active, but I don't work as hard. And that makes up the bulk of how I make my money as an online business coach. And this is what you could do. Now, if you are like by Tanya, your content is primarily education content, I don't think I can do this. That is where you are wrong, because there are different types of digital products that you could sell. And you could sell printables, you can sell different forms of digital products, and that could generate an income for you. Another way that you could start generating an income from your small YouTube channel is actually leveraging the knowledge that you have and selling it as a service. Really, I'm serious. You have acquired a bunch of knowledge. You know how to edit, you know how to do graphics, and you know how to do a number of things that ensure that you are growing your YouTube channel. So what that means, it simply means that you are capable of selling your services, your skills in the marketplace where people would buy your services to provide it for them, because most of the time people buy services because they just don't have the time, or maybe don't want to learn how to do it, so they'll rather outsource the service, or they rather outsource what they want done and have somebody else do it and take it off their plate. So when you are thinking about what you could do, you could be a video editor, you could be a graphic designer, you could be a consultant for them on how to grow a YouTube channel, especially if you have grown it beyond 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 subscribers. You could start consulting for other people that are looking to do that, and you could charge a premium for that. So these are two ways you could be making money right now with your small YouTube channel. Now, if you would like to know how you could leverage your YouTube channel to create a business around that, check out the link in the description box where you have the opportunity to book a consultation with myself or my team, where we will go over what you could be doing and how you could start a business where people will pay you for being you and to learn from you. On this note, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. What did you think of what I shared with you? Do you think of any other ways somebody could make money using a small YouTuber? And leave it in the comment below so that somebody else may find it and it could help a sister or a brother out. On this note, I'll see you in the next one.